Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for something that is going to be a gorgeous centerpiece or countertop tray, this one from Paper Pallet is very, very pretty and attractive for any kitchen. The tray is 2 tiers and it's made of 100% wood. I really love that it has the distressed wood look and it has a chalk paint feel. So if you've worked with chalk paint, you'll have an idea of how that feels. There's no glaze to it. It's a matte finish. It was super easy to put together thanks to the bottom, which has 1 steel post leading up to the handle at the top. It holds a variety of things, and I really like that the lip part of it is a little bit deeper, so that way you can put some things in it, you can put fruit in it, and it won't roll off or fall out. Again, this beautiful tiered tray is just absolutely gorgeous. It's useful and has a great purpose, but also it looks really, really pretty in any kind of decor. But that's just my point of view.